Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials and making precise marks so assembly is fast and accurate. You need netting, 6/8 ribs, glue, needle, and thread. Measure the radius you want and mark the center point. Once done, draw the arc for the fan edge and add a 1/2 seam allowance so you can hem. Make small notches where each rib will attach. Spacing every 15-20 degrees gives a balanced spread. Cut the netting along the arc carefully to avoid fraying. Now you combine structure and fabric. Fold and hem the arc edge to stop tearing. A narrow hem with tight 2-3 mm stitches works well, but fabric glue is okay for no-sew. Then align each rib into its notch and tack with a dab of glue so nothing slips. Next, stitch through the netting and rib base. That stitch holds tension when you open the fan. Once all ribs are fastened, check the hinge at the base. Reinforce with a rivet or a few tight stitches so movement stays smooth. Finish by trimming stray threads and rounding rib tips so the fan is comfortable in hand. Add a decorative trim or binding along the arc for durability and appearance. Open and close the fan several times to settle stitches and glue. Make small adjustments and red-iron any loose threads at the base so the ribs stay aligned. If the net sags when open, shorten the rib pockets by 3-5 mm or add a lightweight backing strip behind the net to restore tension and prevent bunching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.